Hello everybody, in previous video we created product image slider and now let's add some product description. And let's start with our query. So we need to fetch description data. Let's find it in the docs first. Okay. So as you see, it's description and inner item is HTML. Let's just add it here and remove this fragment. And you see it's looks like plain text here, but it could be also HTML, so we will use special library to render HTML. Let's add it to our code. Get product details. Let's add description. And also I think I would like to add price here. So let's copy it from category products. It will be price range. Let's create new type. Export type price range. So it will be following type. And let's copy this what do we need to add here? Price range and description. It's HTML, which is string. Okay, it should be import type. Looks good. Let's continue to our product screen, product detail screen, sorry. So we have product details. We can replace it with product data name. Maybe some margin top 15 and some text 70. Let's take a look how it looks. Yeah, let's do it center. I think looks okay. What we do else? Add price. And price we already created in the product list item. And maybe we should create util function which return this string. Well, let's copy it. Go to the logic product, maybe not products, logic directory util and new util function price. Price string from price range object. So it will be price range of type price range, and maybe it could be null or undefined. So if price range, let's return this string, and in case price range is undefined, we will return empty string. Let's try to use this function, price string from price range, and item price range. We need to import this function, and let's take a look. Okay, price still works. And let's back to our screen. Instead item we have product data here. Let's take a look. Okay, it's render our price. Maybe let's remove this margin here. Yeah, looks better. And now we want to render our description. Let's try to do first simply with plain text, like this description HTML. And as you can see, actually there is HTML tags. So to render it, let's use React Native Render HTML library. Install, and for version 5.0.0 we need next version. Let's use it. Yarn add I'm not sure if we need to install some pods. Let's do it just in case. Meanwhile, let's take a look how we can use it. Okay, put our HTML content, and we need to put content widths as well. So let's enter it here, import HTML from the library. HTML content will be description HTML. Content widths, let's use constants from markup kit library and use screen widths. Okay, let's take a look. Okay, we need scroll view, and also there is a warning like HTML here is required. So let's check if product data exists. Or only then render HTML. And scroll view, let's import scroll view. and wrap our component. Okay, now we can scroll. Maybe we need some paddings here, so let's wrap it with view. Add padding horizontally 15. Looks, I think, okay. And what we can do else? Probably we want to change fonts, and I think this library will allow us to do it. We need base font style prop and fonts size. Maybe let's try 15. Yeah, I think looks better, and that's it. We'll continue in the next video.